Hi dear students, how are you all? Hope you all doing well and staying safe at home. Enjoying your days? Enjoy your days, but also make an interest to learn mathematics also. Okay, this is your mathematical section. So take your book, page number 84, and we can just warm up with the previous section of our online class. What we have discussed in our previous section, an introduction of algebra, right ma? So what do you mean by expressions? I told you already. So I'll give you some example. 4x, 2x plus 3, then 4x plus y. These are some example for expressions. Okay, so suppose tell me 4x plus 2 equal to 3. This considered to be an equation. Okay, you all know that. Yes, so equations, you know. What you mean by expression, you know. This is called as an expression. 4x plus 3 is an expression. 3 is also an 4x plus 2 is an expression. 3 is also an expression. You all clear about that? You know what is mean by terms, and under the expression what are the things you have learned? What are the three cases you have learned? Variables. What are things now? Variables, coefficients, and one more thing. What is that? Coefficient, and one more thing is constants. Very good. Constant. Okay, not constants, constant. So once again tell me what are the three cases you have? Variable, coefficient and constant. Okay, shall we give up with an example? So this 4 is called as what ma? This x is called as an variable. Very good. Variable. And this 4 is considered to be a coefficient. Very good. And this 3 is considered to be a variable, right? The 3 is considered to be a variable or not? No. Why? Since it doesn't have a variable, so without a variable is considered to be a constant. Very good. Okay, so clear this much. Is all of you have an idea about expression, equations, and the three cases, following the three cases. Shall we move on to the today's topic? So today's topic we can see about the new topic, that is degree of a polynomial. Okay, so under the polynomial you have learned the three types. What are they? Monomial, binomial, trinomial. What do you mean by monomial? That is, monomial means only one term, binomial means two terms, and the trinomial means three terms. Clear ma? Next topic is degree of polynomial. What do you mean by degree? You have an idea of that? So degree is nothing but the power. Okay, in this sections you are considered to be degree as a power only. Okay, now see here, I'll start up with the example. 4pq square. Okay, q power 2. This is the power value. Usually we will tell this is a q power 2. Q power is what? 2. But hereafter you have to consider that as a degree. What is the degree of q now? 2. Clear? So now what is the degree of p? What is the degree of? Only the variable will have their degree. Okay, all the variables will have their degree. Only the, remember it, variables only will have the degree. Have the degree. Okay, so q, what is the degree of q? And what is the degree of p? If there is no value, what I told you to consider ma? That power is 1. Very good. Okay, so whenever you have no degree in any variable, you can consider that as what? 1. Okay, so the degree of the term of this term is, the degree of the term is very simple. Just add the value. What is the degree of p? 1. What is the degree of q? 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So the degree of this term is what ma now? Tell me. The degree of the term is 3. Clear? Okay. So listen to this problem ma. Find the degree of the polynomial x square plus 4x y square. Right? Okay, you want to find the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of x now? 1. What is the degree of x? 2. Right? What is the degree of, this is one term and this is one term. Already I have given you I have given you the explanation of term. How many terms you have in this expressions? 2 terms. What are they? X square and 4xy square. These are the terms. Right now, terms. Okay. So how many terms you have? 2 terms. What are they? X square and 4xy square. Okay. Now tell me what is the degree of this x? 2. So what is the degree of this term? Already I told you the degree of y is 2 and the degree of x will be 1. So 1 plus 1 is, 1 plus 2 is 3. So which is the highest degree? This term have the highest degree or this term have the highest degree? This term only they have the highest degree. Clear? So the degree of, therefore the degree of polynomial is 3. The term which has the highest degree only you have to select it. Clear ma? So shall I give you another one example? Listen here, I'll solve out with another one example. So 3m square plus 8mn plus 7. Okay. First you want to separate like terms. Okay. Terms. 3m square, then 8mn, and 7 doesn't have any variable, so no need to consider that is as a constant. Okay. 7, write it, no problem. So what is the power of this m? 2. Okay, and what is the power of this mn? Here also power 1, here also power 1. Why I have written here 1? Since there is no value, you have to be considered as 1. Clear? So m power 1 and n power 1. So their power will be 1 plus 1 will be 2. So that therefore here also 2, here also your degree will be 2. Add the degree. Okay, clear? So here also you have added the degree, 1 plus 2 is 3. Here also you are going to add the degree, 1 plus 1 is 2. Clear? So what is the degree of this equation? So degree of the polynomial is, not the equation, sorry, polynomial is 2. Clear? No doubt at all you have? Okay. So take page number 84, example sum 1. Okay. Usually you know addition, subtraction, everything. Okay. But here it is an addition with a variable. Okay. So here is an addition with a variable. Whether this is a variable I have given you an idea, that is an alphabetic letter is to be considered as a variable. So this is also an alphabetic letter we have to consider as a variable, right? So here also variable. So how do you add a number? Okay. In algebra form, I'll tell you. First, 2 types of methods you have, horizontal method and vertical method. What are the 2 types of method? Tell me what are the methods? Horizontal methods, vertical methods. Okay. First method, what do you mean by horizontal method? I am going to teach for you. Before I have started the horizontal method, you know the rules for multiplication of an integer. You all know? Yes? So from the regular classes we have given you what is the multiplication of integer rule. Just I will warm up with that. Okay, rules for multiplication. This is the sign for into, you all know. Or else hereafter in 8th standard, bracket means also you have going to consider it as multiplication only. Okay ma? I'll tell you, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is plus. Whenever you have a same sign, plus only. So plus into plus is plus. When you have the different sign, automatically it gets the value of subtraction. Okay, minus. So minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus. Very simple. When the signs are same, your answer will be plus. When the signs are different, your answer will be minus. Okay, here plus, here minus. Clear? When once again I'll tell you, when the signs are same, your answer will be in, minus into minus or plus into plus will be plus. When your signs are different, minus. Clear? Shall we move to the problem? First step is horizontal method. Okay. Horizontal method I will teach you. This is your example 1 question. 8m square n minus 13mn plus 19mn square and 26m square n plus 10mn minus 7mn square. Okay. You want to add the following. You know to add the 2 numbers. When the 2 numbers are given, you know to add the numbers, right? So I will tell you how to add the numbers. First, write the solution. Whenever you start a problem, you will start with solution, right ma? So write the first term, 8m square n minus 13mn plus 19m square. This is one set of terms, right? So see here, put a bracket. This is your first set of term, and this and to be considered as plus. Clear? And to be considered as plus. Next write the second term, 26m square n plus 10mn minus 7m square n. Clear ma? So first of all you have to write the first set of term, and means what is the value of and plus, and write the second set of terms. Okay. Now see here, write the first set of term as it is 8m square n minus 13mn plus 19mn square. Okay, you are writing as it is. Next see, what is the sign here? Plus. Okay, I told you already, whenever a number doesn't have any sign, you have to consider to be negative or positive. Positive, right? So very good. So whenever there is no sign, what do you have to follow? Here it is plus. Okay, so now plus, already I told you to consider this bracket as what? Rules for multiplication, what I told you? Bracket also should be considered as multiplication only, right? Now look at here. So plus, this bracket should be considered as multiplication. So plus into plus is plus. Okay, so plus into plus is plus, that is plus 26m square n. Clear? Now this plus is common for all the terms, so that only I am writing inside the bracket. Now plus into this plus is plus, plus into this plus. Okay, plus into plus is plus m n. Then plus into minus is what? Plus into minus is minus 7m n square. Clear? So plus into plus is plus. So again plus into plus is plus. Again plus into minus is minus. So now you are going to, now every bracket terms are removed. So you can add the terms. How will you add the terms? Whether you will add the like terms or unlike terms, you'll go for an like terms only, right? So hereafter collect the like terms and keep it in one side. Okay. First I am writing 8m square n. Just to check it, m square n, any other values you have? This is the value you have. You are going to join with the like terms. Plus 26m square n. Don't forget to write the sign also. Okay. Then check it whether m square n values you have. No values. So this much only like terms of. What is the like terms of? M square n. These two are only the like terms. Now next section, I am going to take minus 13mn. Then check it. Like terms are here. My plus 10mn. Clear ma? I am going to join the like terms. Next, what is the remaining? They are like terms. Plus 19m n square minus 7m n square. These two are like terms. These both are like terms. And again, these both are like terms. Clear for you? So again you are going to add the numbers. So 8 plus 26 is 34. Only add the numbers first. 34. Then write these terms as it is. M square n. Clear? You are going to add the numbers. You are not going to add your variables. Okay. So add the numbers. Write the variables as it is. Next, minus and 1 plus. Minus 13mn plus 13. This is under addition. Two different sign means you will subtract it and put the greater number sign. So subtract it. 13 minus 10 is 3. So minus, write it first. 3. Write the variable as it is. So which sign you have to put, allot it? 10, which number is the biggest number? 13 is your biggest number, right ma? So which sign you have to allot? Minus sign. Clear? Then tell me this condition. You want to first, different sign means you want to subtract the number. That is subtraction. 19 minus 7 is 12. m square. Then which sign you have to allot? Greater number sign. Greater number will be plus. Okay. So therefore 34 m square n minus 3 m n plus 12 m square is your answer. Okay. Once again I'll tell you. So whenever you have a problem in addition, first you write the first term and what is the meaning of and plus. Okay, next write the second term as it is. Then I told you, you have to consider this bracket as what? Bracket as multiplication. Very good. So plus, you are writing first term as it is. Next, plus into plus is plus. Write the term as it is. Next, plus into plus is plus. Then plus into minus is minus. Okay. Then separate the like terms. Okay. You are going to separate the like terms. You know how to separate the like terms. Separate it and follow the next step of that. Same sign means you are going to add and write the same variable. Different terms means subtract it and write the greater number sign. Clear? So next method is our vertical method. Actually vertical method only the easiest method, but as if you are going for the 9th standard, you will go for the horizontal method only. Okay, shall we just warm up with this? Start up with this. Okay, now you write the first term as it is. You know the first term of the first question? Yeah, 8m square. This is the first term. Okay, then this is of your second terms. Okay, now you have very simple addition, right? Add the numbers. And means plus, I told you. Now add it. 8 plus 6 is, what is 8 plus 26 is 34. So 34 m square n. Then as if don't think and write your sign. Okay. Then 13 minus 13. Just write it. Minus 13 plus 10. What is the value, ma? Two different signs. You have to subtract it. 13 minus 10 is 3. Okay. Write 3 m n. Then which sign you have to write? Many of you will write the plus sign because down it is plus. So you will write the plus sign. So wrong. Which number is the greatest number? 13. Which sign you have to allot? Minus. Clear? Then 19, 1 plus 19 minus 7. What is the value? Minus it 12. Which sign you have to allot? Minus. Right? No, wrong, right? So which is the greater number you have to allot? Plus. So plus 12 m n square. This is the vertical method. Vertical method will be very simple only. But what else to do? You have to follow the horizontal method only when you are going to the 9th standard. Okay, vertical method only will be the easiest form of that. Okay, then addition, this is the concept. Shall we see the sum related to the subtraction? Example numbers 2. Read it once. So subtract 20x minus 5y from 15y minus 18xy plus 37x. Okay, so subtract this number from this number. Okay, clear, ma? So which is the method you are going to follow? Horizontal method. Okay, so from means, so usually for addition, you know, one set of numbers they have given, and means I told you plus. But for subtraction, whenever you have from, you want to write the next term only, the first term. Okay, don't write this term. Since you have from, you want to write this second term as the first term. Okay, write it. 15y minus 18xy plus 37x. Okay, this is one set of terms. Subtraction means, you know, minus. So 20x minus 5y. Clear, ma? How to write? Since you have from, you have to start like this. Okay, then that is equal to, very simple, you want to remove the first term, remove the bracket. What is that? 15y minus 18xy plus 37x. I told you whenever a number is without a sign, what you have to allot? Plus. Very good. So now you have to consider this bracket as multiplication. So minus into plus is what? Minus into plus. Minus 20x and minus into minus is next term you are going to write. So since here is it a bracket as well as here is it a minus sign, minus into minus is plus 5y. Clear? So next what the step you are going to follow? You will add up with the like terms. Okay, like terms. First write
15y. Any y terms are here? Check it here, xy, so it is not a like term, so y plus 5y. Don't forget to write the sign also. Okay, so plus 5y. Then next write this term minus 18xy. Okay, then any xy terms are here? No xy terms, so leave it, no problem. Then these two are like terms, plus 37x minus 20x. Okay, now added these two terms, so 15 plus 5 is 20. Write the variable as it is. Next, minus 18. Can you add these two terms? Tell me, can you add these two terms? Can you add it? No. Why? Since it is the unlike terms, only like terms you can add it. So there is no adding term. So you can write the term as it is. Minus 18xy. Then you can add these two terms. Plus 37 minus 20. Add it, ma. Subtract it, right? 37 minus 20 means 7. 1 balance. So 17. Which sign you have to allot? Plus or minus. Since 37 is the greatest number, so plus x. Variable plus 17x. Okay. So this much only is today's portion, ma. Write and learn. Meet you on the next class. Thank you all, dear students.